Traveling into space not only implies leaving the Earth's atmosphere, it means exposing the human body to a radically different environment, where gravity ceases to be the constant force that organizes our fluids, muscles, and organs. Changes in the human bodies are significant and can have lasting effects. If you are interested in the fascinating world of space exploration, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Here we will explore how space travel affects our brain and body. A recent study published in PNAS analyzes in detail how the brain responds after prolonged stays in microgravity. Understanding these changes is crucial, especially with the horizon of missions to the Moon and Mars getting closer and closer. The authors of the study emphasize that it is not only important to know what happens during the mission, but also the effects that can be maintained afterwards. The research focuses on how to measure the movement of the brain inside the skull. To measure the displacement of the brain, the team analyzed magnetic resonance imaging of 26 astronauts before and after their flights. This approach allows to evaluate how the brain tissue moves with respect to the skull. The researchers divided the brain into 130 anatomical regions to detect local deformations. This method seeks to overcome the limitations of previous analyses, which could overlook regional differences. When comparing pre- and post-flight images, a clear pattern of brain movements up and back into the skull was observed. This phenomenon varied according to the duration of the mission. The most interesting finding was that the brain does not move like a compact piece. Some regions showed greater changes than others, which introduces a biomechanical dimension in the study of brain displacements. It was examined whether these displacements were related to changes in equilibrium after return to Earth. A concrete association was found between brain displacement and equilibrium performance. After the return, a wide recovery was observed in several aspects, although some changes persisted even 6 months after the flight. This underscores the lasting effects of spaceflight on neuroanatomy. The Good Doctor series also explores the risks of space travel, reflecting how the body has difficulty adjusting to Earth's gravity. However, it is important to distinguish between fiction and scientific evidence. As long-term missions are planned, it is essential to understand these movements in order to design effective countermeasures. Detailed knowledge of regional deformations provides a quantitative basis for protecting the health of astronauts.